spread nyo with your drinks.
Okay, so plating it. Normally they have their tomatoes and but you can add cucumbers. Here I have like coconut oil powder. This is one of the secrets of the chefs. If you want to pulverize your oil, it is a very easy molecular gastronomy technique that we use for the plate. What is it? There. So it's become pulverized. So from the coconut oil, so this is just coconut oil and MAFBEX, right? So MAFBEX is also a food grade chemical. But if you mix the two, it's like 1/4 then you can achieve this kind of so this is coconut oil, but it's already pulverized. So the MAFBEX absorbs the coconut oil, all the fat of the coconut oil. You want to try it? So you can tell them how it tastes. Yeah. There's spoon there. Can you tell them how it tastes like?
Personally, it tastes a little bit sweet.
Yeah.
And parang lasang baha blanca.
Nasa Paglaka, right?
Lasang baha blanca, actually. If you're trying to pinpoint the specific taste, it actually tastes like baha blanca.
Yeah.
Pero coconut oil siya in
Yeah.
powdered form. So,
Yeah.
it's less calories.
Right, diba? So that's what's very good. So actually, mas mahaba yung kwentuhan kesa dun sa luto. So I'm gonna add some, we can add fried shallots. Normally the Indonesians they like fried shallots, which you can buy from the market, but why do you have to buy when you can actually bake at home? But the difference between buying and making your own is that you have to consider kung nagtitipid kayo, or if you're using it for industrial purposes, you have to use gas, you have to use all your resources, your time, energy, everything. So if you can buy naman, if you can buy, as long as you know your resources, it's easy. Okay? So here's your fried shallot. There. So that's it. I am done with this first dish. I'm just gonna add some happiness by adding some microgreens. This is what makes our plates extra. There.
So, let us see the first dish, which is a nasi goreng, vegetarian style, of course, with atlay rice.
I'd like to add that if you want to take photos of your picture, you want to bring it alive, the bat to make it come alive, you just add a drop of, just use your squeeze bottles and add a dash of oil. Para lang mabuhay siya sa pictures kasi pag dry, pangit na sa diba? So, this is my nasi goreng. And we're ready to give out samples while I'm preparing for my next dish.
And of course, while waiting, we will also be giving out free tastes
Yeah.
for our guests right here. So, kung ano yung niluto ni Chef Michelle ngayon, we will also be giving out it out. So you guys can try it out kung ano ba talaga yung lasa. And while waiting for Chef Michelle to prepare on her second dish, do our audiences right here have any questions? Do you guys have any questions regarding what Chef Michelle cooked?
I think because it's very easy. It's just like cooking, fried rice. Fried rice. Sinangag. Sinangag. So it's just like cooking sinangag. Like ketchup mayonnaise. So you can even use barley, you can use oatmeal, any kind of recipe. You just have to make do with what you have, whether oatmeal or you can add couscous. So whatever you have at home, make it work for you. You mga diabetics, sir, you can actually use carrots or cauliflower. So instead of using rice, you pass it to a food processor, yung carrots, you can use it as your rice. Or yung antay, mix it with the carrots or mix it with the cauliflower. Diba?